Here are my top 4 tips for making bread at home. Number 1, weigh your ingredients and scale everything out. That just creates a more consistent product that you'll be happier with, and you'll be happy to know when you try to repeat it what you did before. Don't try to use cups and teaspoons because different flours and even different bags of flours have different densities. So weigh your ingredients. Tip number 2, do something new with your old bread. Make breadcrumbs out of it. That's one of my favorite things to do with old bread. Tip number 3, add steam or some type of water to the oven when you're baking bread to create steam and let your bread expand in the oven. And tip number 4 is don't be afraid to retard your dough in the refrigerator overnight. It adds incredible flavor and it just enhances the fermentation so much. So after you're done mixing and fermenting, instead of going right into shaping, stick your dough in the refrigerator and let it sit overnight. It could even sit for up to 24 hours until you get to it, and then take it out and shape it, and I promise that it will be a really much more flavorful loaf of bread. And those are my 4 top tips for bread making.